A popular trend in selecting the best Fireclay kitchen sink to serve as an aesthetic centerpiece of your kitchen design. When you're planning out any kitchen renovation, you're likely giving great consideration to the main features such as your sink, and this is where a Fireclay style sink literally shines. We've researched and discovered the 11 top rated Fireclay kitchen sinks, as well as the worst one to avoid. And now for the Freshness.com reviews of the 12 best Fireclay kitchen sinks, plus the worst one to avoid. Coming in at number 1, Finefixtures Sutton 30-inch Fireclay sink. Finefixtures from Sutton has made the best Fireclay kitchen sink. They use a straightforward design with durable craftsmanship to make a great sink. This is a butler style sink that sits underneath the counter. It's the perfect size for scrubbing through a load of dishes. The design is elegant and would fit into any kitchen. The clay was fired at 1600 degrees Celsius, so there's no chance that your sink will lack durability. The sink measures 30 inches by 18 inches. The size is perfect for most medium to large households. You can purchase a sink rack, grid, or strainer if you're worried about the enamel chipping. Coming in at number 2, Barclay FS30 30-inch Fireclay Farmer Sink. Barclay is well known throughout the home improvement industry. They're a trustworthy manufacturer and durability is no problem here. This sink is easy to use with a garbage disposal and won't overflow. Possibly the best part of this sink is that you don't need a flange extension. While many people still regard hiring a plumber to install this sink, it's not as complicated as some of the other options on the market. Without a doubt, the Barclay FS30 is the best single bowl Fireclay sink on the market. It's easy to clean and the corners aren't deep enough to trap particles. You do want to be sure to avoid cleaners that would scratch the enamel. Coming in at number 3, Rohl 33-inch by 22-inch 1.5 bowl Allia Undermount Fireclay kitchen sink. This is the best Rohl Fireclay kitchen sink available. It undermounts so you can easily fit it into any countertop layout. You should always have a plumber work with you through the installation to ensure a good fit. The top feature of this sink is one of the most popular to avoid when looking at Fireclay sink options, which is the split bowl. The Rohl 33-inch sink uses a design that separates the sink into two bowls. Although this design is standard in kitchens, Fireclay sinks don't see this too often. The first bowl is smaller and is only 8 inches deep. The second bowl is larger and 10 inches deep. The Fireclay is acid and alkali resistant. The drain replacement is in the rear so you can retain some of the under-counter storage space. Looking to learn more about the best Fireclay kitchen sinks in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Coming in at number 4, Rohl 39.5 inch by 18.5 inch by 10 inch Deep Shaw's Rutherford plain apron front Fireclay kitchen sink. Another divided sink by Rohl, this Fireclay 39.5 inch sink screams high end. If you're creating the kitchen of your dreams and the budget to match, this is your best bet. The front of the sink is classic white porcelain enamel, but the interior of the sink is the more important part. The Shaw's original badges, 3.5 inch drains, and tiered basins make this a beautiful sink. Both sides of this sink are 10 inches deep. You will definitely need a plumber to install this sink, however. It's best to make sure the job is done right. The sink weighs about 183 pounds, but is easy to handle because of the rectangular shape. This is an outstanding apron front and the best high-end Fireclay kitchen sink on the market. Coming in at number 5, ALFI brand AB512 Double Bowl Fireclay 32-inch Farmhouse Apron Kitchen Sink. ALFI regularly delivers high-quality kitchen hardware. This ALFI product is a great sink, but it is different from the other sinks in this roundup. The sink tapers in towards the bottom of the bowls, While this design helps save you some of under the counter storage space, it leaves you with less sink. There is also a tall, nearly 2-inch lip around 3 sides of the topmost edge. The lip helps keep the sink level with the countertop. The sink bowls are about 7 1/4 inches deep. For most small households, this is perfect. This sink is one of the few Fireclay sinks that does not require a plumber for installation. With an Undermount installation kit, if you're handy enough, you can install this sink yourself. Coming in at number 6, Rohl 31 1/8 inch by 19 5/8 inch by 11 inch, 31 inch single bowl Allia Undermount Fireclay kitchen sink. Another great product from Rohl, this sink is the best Undermount Fireclay kitchen sink available. It has a simple and classic single bowl design with an off-center drain. The bowl is 10 inches deep, giving you plenty of space. This sink is also reversible, giving you lots of room to work. Rohl backs up their durability with claims that the sink is acid, alkali, and abrasion resistant. These claims stand the test of time, and many of these sinks are completely scratch or corrosion free years after installation. This Rohl 39 1/8 inch sink is undermounted, which will make it feel like you have more counter space. But the most significant benefit of an undermounted sink is the time that you save cleaning. You can quickly wipe your counters off into the sink. Coming in at number 7, Finefixtures Single Bowl Undermount Fireclay Kitchen Sink. The best Fireclay kitchen sink for the money is the Finefixtures. This single bowl undermount sink is about 10 inches deep and a perfect rectangle. The dimensions are 28 inches by 17 inches by 10 inches. This size is ideal for a large family or household with multiple renters. But in case this is too large for you, there's also a 24-inch option. The best feature of this Fireclay kitchen sink, though, is how easy it is to clean. Many people worry about how to maintain the incredible durability of a Fireclay sink. With a mild dish soap or baking soda and cloth, you can clean this sink in seconds. The corners are easy to reach, and the enamel doesn't hold on to oil very well at all. Coming in at number 8, Rohl Shaw's Classic Modern Apron Front Single Bowl Fireclay Kitchen Sink. A classic modern single bowl has never looked so good. There's no possibility of overflow with this Rohl front single bowl design. The drain is perfectly sized for a garbage disposal or in-drain strainer. The sink itself measures 30 inches by 18 inches, but the basin is slightly smaller. The drain is a very standard 3.5 inch opening that sits right into the center of this squared off front sink. The glaze is acid and alkali resistant, but these sinks are not scratch resistant. Before you decide on this sink, get in touch with your contractor or your DIY vision to lay out a plan. There aren't any templates available, so you should wait until this sink arrives before cutting into a countertop. Coming in at number 9, LaToscana 33-inch reversible Fireclay Farmhouse sink. There's no between white reversible Farmhouse sinks available. This LaToscana 33-inch sink is the best white Fireclay kitchen sink. Its porcelain enamel isn't scratch resistant, but it's very sturdy. You can fearlessly toss a fork in or let a pan drop a few inches without worry that you'll ruin your sink. The drain is large enough to sit with a garbage disposal, but the drain is dead centered in the bottom of the sink. For anyone who hasn't used a Fireclay sink before, drain setting in the center means that you won't have to worry very much room under the sink for storage. This issue is microscopic compared to the quality and durability of this LaToscana sink. Coming in at number 10, LaToscana Farmhouse Fireclay Kitchen Sink. Compatible with a standard garbage disposal and without an extension flange needed, there's no reason to avoid this sink. It's lightweight compared to other Fireclay sink options, weighing in at 80 pounds. The use is inside purposely only and comes with a 3-year warranty. The Farmhouse Fireclay kitchen sink from LaToscana is an excellent addition to any kitchen. There's a lot to love here, starting with the dimensions. Sitting at 18 inches by 27 inches and 10 inches deep, this is an excellent option for nearly any home. The Best Fireclay Farmhouse Sink award should go to this LaToscana sink. This farmhouse installation style Fireclay kitchen sink is outstandingly simple. Many people enjoy its mid-range size. Coming in at number 11, Zuhne Ostia Fireclay Farmhouse Apron White Reversible Kitchen Sink. The Zuhne Ostia 30-inch Fireclay sink is one of the best qualities available. When it arrives at your doorstep, it is ready for installation. The installation is relatively easy and has a reversible design. The reversible design allows the sink to install as a fluted apron or a plain installation. The quality of durability uses the reinforcement of a 1600 degree Celsius firing process. Overall, it's a great sink. It even comes with a strainer and grid to protect the bottom of your sink from any damage. This sink is not abrasion free. You can install the sink easily with the farmhouse installation method, but the sink is reversible as well. Coming in at number 12, Double Bowl Farmhouse Apron Front Fireclay Kitchen Sink, 33 inches. Coming in at number 12, Double Bowl Farmhouse Apron Front Fireclay Kitchen Sink, 33 inches. The Double Bowl Farmhouse Apron Front Sink is an undermount dream. It's worth every dime as it's available in 3 finishes. You can choose from a fluted design and reversible or smooth options. The Double Bowl sink is very easy to install, but you might want the help of a plumber. Don't go cutting into your kitchen counters just yet. There are no templates for this sink. In fact, it's best to use your sink as a template, so work with your contractor. Or you can hone your DIY skills. This sink is everything you could need in a home kitchen. The bowls are deep as well as wide, giving you a lot of room to work. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite Fireclay kitchen sink. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates. And now for the Freshness.com Fireclay kitchen sink to avoid. Rohl 30-inch by 18-inch by 10-inch Shaw's Lancaster Apron Front Single Bowl Fireclay kitchen sink. Although you might see the price tag and imagine you found the Rohl sink of your dreams, you should keep looking. This is the worst Fireclay kitchen sink on the market. There's nothing that could save this sink. From having issues with delivery to scratches turning into spiderwebbing cracks, this is not the quality you'd expect from Rohl. Avoid this Shaw's Lancaster Fireclay kitchen sink at all costs. The first red flag is the warning that actual dimensions may vary from what you're ordering. For people organizing a kitchen remodel, this means that there's the chance your custom counters won't fit this sink. Save the measuring and cutting until after you receive your order. And now for the Freshness.com final thoughts on buying the best Fireclay kitchen sinks. If you're looking for a sink that will fit into any kitchen and last for years, then Fireclay is the right kitchen sink material for you. To find the best Fireclay kitchen sink, consider space, maintenance needs, and the sink brand's reputation. Looking to learn more about the best Fireclay kitchen sinks in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Did you find this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite Fireclay kitchen sink. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates.